Hey CP family, I'm back to introduce our new collection.
You forgot the name of the collection?
I did.
The Culture Collection.
That's right. We have so many products, sometimes I do forget. But before we get started, my name is Michelle-Fontaine Jones and I'm the CEO and founder of Curls and Potions.
I'm Quentin Weems, the COO of Curls and Potions.
You don't have that many names.
No, I like it simple.
I'm the only complicated one.
Yeah, this is true.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the first product that we have in our line, which is, what do you want to introduce?
Let's go Twisted Pattern first.
The Twisted Pattern Hydration Mist.
Right.
So that seems to be his favorite.
It is pretty much for starter locks or twists in the initial stages. I've been using it for about 2-3 weeks now, prior to my first twist. But the elasticity and the hold in it is, man, second to none. Your curls will be on steroids, needless to say.
Yes, you can use it for your curls too. So, because you said your curl.
Well, I mean, you have to start there into a lock or a braid. So
yeah, that's true. That is true. That's a good point. That's a good point. Should we break it out and mist you, or you're good?
I mean, I'm okay. But
You're good. Okay, he's good for now. So, what's your next favorite product that you have in the line?
Probably the cleansing water.
That cleansing water is highly concentrated. It is like putting water in your hair, and it is going to clean your scalp like no other product that you've ever used. The key here is to only use a nickel to a quarter size amount, and you would apply it the way that you would apply oil to your scalp. So just a little bit, and then take the palms and massage it in between and rinse really well. You'll get a really good clean scalp. It's good for all hair textures, so you can use it, yes, on the curls, yes, on the locks, yes, on the braids and protective styles. It will work wonders. It's very, very mild and very gentle, so it's not going to strip the natural oils from your hair.
To reiterate, just use a little bit. A small amount is the only amount needed. If you put too much in, it won't be conducive to.
No, you're going to be rinsing.
Right.
You'll be there for a while. Rinsing. I think my water bill is a little high because I was applying it and I just loved how it felt, and it was just water to me, and I'm doing this and just adding more and adding more and adding more, and I used about this much. Yeah. So please don't do that. And if you do, just rinse really well, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine after that. Okay, so the next product that we have in the collection, which is one of my favorites, is the Magic Miracle Sun Drop Potion. This was created because I ended up getting sunburn on my scalp. I was a newbie to braids. That is not funny. Why are you laughing? It was painful.
It sounds painful.
It was.
It sounds painful.
So I went ahead and decided to, originally we were going to do this line for locks and braids, but this product was not something that was planned out. It was planned out because I got sunburned. That's the real story. So I did some research on some natural oils that had natural UV protection, and that's what you get. Strong but mighty in that little bottle. It's worth every drop because the base of it is carrot seed oil. It's a really, really expensive oil, but it's amazing with the UV protection that it has naturally and the way it moisturizes your scalp. It's not going to be greasy. It's not going to clog your pores. None of that. Coupled with that is raspberry seed oil, which is the next in line for the really good natural UV protection that it has, followed by Jamaican black castor oil. And everybody in the hair care industry knows that Jamaican black castor oil is amazing for hair growth.
Yes,
you haven't tried it yet. I don't think you need to grow your hair anymore.
Why stop it? So let it keep coming.
And let it keep going. Maybe you should start getting some locks.
It crossed my mind, I would need a master, what do you call them, loctician? I would need a master loctician. I take things like that very seriously. So it's on the table. It's on the table.
I might allow it. We'll see. We'll see. And the scent of it is with rosemary oil. So once again, another heavy hitter for hair growth and maintaining good scalp health.
Great. Great stuff.
What's next?
What's under their conditioner? What's under their conditioner? Down under their conditioner? What's it called? You be having these long, you used to have these titles. Under there.
Under their conditioner.
Down under. You know what I'm saying?
Right. So
under there.
This was such an unprofessional transition into this product, but the title is a little long. So under their conditioner. So the basis for this was for when you are. Why did you just cut me off in my spiel?
I'm sorry, I did.
Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so it is a detangler. It is a deep conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. You can use this before you go into braids. You can use it while the braids are in your hair. You can use it when you're taking your braids out. It is excellent detangler. See, now you got me stumbling over my words. We're not going to cut that out either, by the way.
But we just have fun with it.
And if you have mature locks, there are people who do have locks that do like to condition the locks. So the conditioner is water soluble, so it will rinse out easily. It's not heavy butter based, so it'll be perfect for mature locks. Obviously, if you have starter locks, you have to be careful of the conditioning and anything that will mess up that process. So you're more into the tightening phase and really trying to get your hair to lock. So having a conditioner might not be the best option, but it's definitely great if you have mature locks.
Definitely.
Our last product in the line is our tailored lock spray. Are you're echoing me now?
Well,
that's what we're doing.
I'm here to back
that has rose water. It has aloe juice in there to top it off, and it is one of those. It has sea salt in it as well, so that does help with the tightening. It's very, very lightweight. It's very soothing to the scalp. It will actually give you a little bit of moisture and hydration that you may need. So this is perfect for starter locks, excellent for braids, and it's really great as a refresher spray for anybody with curly hair. You used it. What'd you think?
I thought that the elasticity and the hold in it was great. The feedback I've gotten from a few people who we've let sample it has been it was kind of like a refreshener, a retightener for their individual locks. They seem to have loved it.
I actually use it the most for my braids on a day-to-day basis. I use the hydration mist after I shampoo, and then I went ahead with the under there conditioner lightly, rinsed all that out, and then I went in with the hydration mist. That to me was like putting a deep not a deep conditioner, but a leave-in conditioner on the length of my hair to make sure it was good. And then I did the lock tightening spray. I really focused that on my scalp just to give that extra little tingle and that extra protection. And then I did the sun drop potion and went ahead and went in with my blow dryer. So anybody who knows braids and they wash their hair, I don't know how anybody can go more than 2 weeks and not wash their braids. I'm not judging anybody, but my scalp just wasn't having it. So I really enjoy using the line, and I can't wait to take the braids out to actually use the line on my curly hair. I did use the under there conditioner prior to going into braids on my curly hair, and I used it to style with some of the other products that we have in our line, and it was great for a wash and go as well. So it's definitely something that anybody can use.
I agree. For starters, mature veteran locks, all in between.
Yeah, I didn't know how much of a break that I needed for my hair until I got these braids. But I can say after about 5 weeks of having them in, I miss my curls. It'll be 5 weeks.
5 weeks. Wow.
I'm going to be excited. I'm not excited to take them out.
That cleansing water helped. It did.
So you said I was raggedy before?
It did. It kind of refreshed them. It did.
Well,
kind of tightened them back up.
I did the cleansing water, and then I did the hydration mist. when I put that on there, I did it and kind of like retwisted lightly. I have knotless braids, and when your hair, you have some moisture to it and it's not dry, you can gently just twist like that, real light, put a little clip and hold it. No different than when you would try to start retwisting locks. But you can do that, it'll be fine. Now, if you don't have knotless braids, check with your braider, because I can't tell you that, but this is something, my hair is professionally braided, and this was the advice that I got from the wonderful, talented person that braided my hair. And it's working, because I don't know what I would do. I have a lot of new growth and frizz just coming out, and using the products really helped it.
Yes, it did.
The shade. Nothing but a palm tree. Nothing but a palm tree, I tell you. But we are going to add a few more products in the collection, probably over the next couple weeks or month or so. We do appreciate any feedback from the products, from anybody who's tried them, whether you have braids, you have starter locks, you have mature locks, or even if you just have curls and you're just styling your hair with it. Any feedback is great. This was a soft launch that we had, and so far so good. The turnout was pretty good.
It was good. Thanks for trying us out, everybody.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can purchase all these products on curlsandpotions.com. As of right now, they're not on Amazon.com or Walmart.com, but they soon will be up there. Thank you again, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Hey, CP family. What was I saying?
Take one then.
You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Why not?
Positive?
Doesn't really matter. Let's go. Yeah.
Something's wrong with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I see you hit the record button on the low. I see that.
Shut up. Okay. So the next product in the line is one of my favorites, and it's the Magic Miracle Sun Drop Potion.
I knew you was gonna start laughing.
What's wrong with you?
Come on, let's get through this.
Okay.
Come on. Get together.
Sit down. So the next product that we have is one of my favorites, and it's our I was gonna say scalp potion.
You talking about me?
Okay.
The Miracle Sun Drop Potion.
Okay, hold on. I just timed it. Hold on. Okay.
Right.
Why did I do this with you?
We're gonna be here all day. Come on.
Jeez.